Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I hope you all will be doing well and enjoying your life. So first of all, I want to tell you about what is numerical analysis and what is the importance of the numerical analysis in the field of computer science. So one is the field of mathematics and one is separate field which is computer science. When they both combine together and what is the outcome of these both combination, I will tell you in this video. So starting from the introduction, numerical analysis is the area of mathematics and computer science that creates, analyzes, and implements algorithm for solving numerical problems continuously in mathematics. Such problem they originate generally from real-world application of algebra, geometry, calculus, and they involve variables which vary continuously. These problems occur throughout the natural sciences, social sciences, engineering, even medicine and businesses. During the past half century, the growth in the power and availability of digital computer has led to an increasing use of realistic mathematical models in the science and engineering, and numerical analysis of increasing sophistication has been needed to solve these more detailed mathematical models of the world. So the formal academic area of numerical analysis, it varies from quite theoretical mathematical studies to computer science issues, with the growth in importance of using computers to carry out the numerical procedures in solving mathematical models of the world. It is an area as scientific computing and computational science has taken shape during the 1980s to 1990s. It is concerned with using the most powerful tools of numerical analysis, computer graphics, symbolic mathematical computations, and graphical user interfaces to make it easier for user to step up, solve, and interpret complicated mathematical model for the real world. So, as I discussed with you, the introduction why numerical analysis is the why numerical analysis we need in the field of computer science. Now, I am gonna tell you about some modern application of numerical analysis. So numerical analysis and mathematical modeling have become essential in many areas of modeling life. Sophisticated numerical analysis software is being embedded in the popular software packages. For example, the spreadsheet programs as Microsoft Excel, and allowing many people to perform modeling even when they are unaware of mathematics involved in the process. So computer-aided design CAD, which is referred as CAD, and computer-aided manufacturing, which is referred as CAM, are important areas in the engineering, and some quite sophisticated PSEs have been developed for CAD and CAM. A wide variety of numerical analysis is involved in the mathematical models that must be solved. These models are based on the basic Newton laws of mechanics. There are a variety of possible models, and research continues on designing such models. An important CAD topic is that of modeling the dynamics of moving mechanical systems. Numerical models greatly expand the type of problem you can address. They are capable of handling large systems of equations, non-linearities, and complicated geometries that are not uncommon in engineering and science, and that are often impossible to solve analytically with standard calculus. Okay, as such, they greatly enhance your problem solving skills. Numerical analysis tend and provide a vehicle for you to reinforce your understanding of mathematics, because one function of numerical method is to reduce higher mathematics to basic arithmetic operation. They get at the nut and bolts of some otherwise obscure topics. Enhanced understanding and insight can result from this alternative perspective. So this was all about the numerical analysis in the field of computer science and engineering. I told you about the applications. So inshallah we will meet you in another video about any next topic related to the mathematics. So stay tuned with us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.